to teach rational numbers. Before learning rational numbers, let us learn a set of numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So why did we take this set of numbers? Let me explain with an example. What are natural numbers? Y plus 4 is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 minus 4. Y is equal to 3. Here 3 is a natural number because these numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these are natural numbers. Now let us learn whole numbers. Y plus 5 is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 5, that is y is equal to 0. Here 0 is a whole number because these numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are whole numbers. We just include minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on in the left side. Before 0 are negative integers, after 0 are positive integers. Negative integers are the numbers which have negative sign. Positive integers are the numbers which have positive sign. Now let's learn rational numbers. The numbers which are in the form of p by q. Here p and q are integers and also q is not equal to 0. Example 2 by 3, it has integers. 2 by 3 it has integers. 3 is not equal to 0. This is a rational number. Let me give another example. Minus 4 by 0, it has integers. Q is equal to 0. So this is not a rational number. So now let's learn what signs can a rational number take. P is the numerator, Q is denominator. P positive, Q positive. Then the rational number will be positive. Example 7 by 9. 7 is positive number, 9 is also a positive number. Therefore, the rational number is also a positive rational number. Next, P is positive, Q is negative. The rational number is negative. Example 1 by minus 15. 1 is negative positive, minus 15 is negative. So the rational number is negative. P is negative, Q is positive. Rational number is negative. Example minus 2 by 10. Here minus 2 is negative, 10 is positive. The rational number will be negative. P is negative, Q is negative. Then the rational number will be positive. Example minus 3 by minus 13. Here minus 3 and minus 13 are negative. Then the negative signs get cancelled and become positive signs. So here the rational number is positive. P is 0, Q is positive or negative. Then the rational number will be 0. Example 0 by Q is equal to 0. Now let's learn the properties of rational numbers. First property, that is closure property. Rational numbers are closed under addition, multiplication and subtraction. A by B minus C by D is the formula. Example minus 5 by 7 minus minus 2 by 3 is equal to LCM of the denominators, that is 7 and 3 is equal to 21. Minus 5 into 3 comma minus 2 into 7 minus 15 minus 14 by 21. So here minus into minus we get positive rational number, that is minus into minus 15 plus 14 we get minus 29 by 21. So this is a rational number. Example, let me give an example. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 4 by 5. LC, now no need to give LCM. Here minus 2 into minus 4, we get minus 8. 3 into 5, we get 15. So minus 8 by 15 is a rational number. For any rational number, a by b is not closed under division. It is only closed under addition, multiplication and subtraction. Property, commutative property. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains same. If a by b and c by d are any two rational numbers, then a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. When we add in any order, we'll get the sum remains the same. Example, minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. LCM of 3 and 6, we will get 6 is equal to minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 by 6. 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 6. When we subtract, we get minus 3 by 6. When it can be cancelled, 3 ones, 3 twos. So minus 1 by 2. Now let's add in any other way. That is 1 by 6 plus minus 2 by 3. LCM of the denominators 6 and 3. We get 6. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 by 6. 1 plus minus 4 by 6. When we subtract, we get minus 3 by 6. It can be cancelled. We get minus 1 by 2. So in this property, we can conclude that if we add in any order, we'll get the same answer. Subtraction, multiplication, division of rational numbers are not commutative. The third property is associative property. The sum of three or more rational numbers, the number doesn't depend on the order in which they are grouped. If a by b, c by d, e by f are any three rational numbers, a by b plus c by d plus e by f. Example, 3, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5 minus 7 by 10. So these are three rational numbers. So let's keep brackets, 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 7 comma minus 7 by 10. So LCM of 5, 10. We get 10. 3 by 4 plus minus 4 by 10 plus 7 by 10. 3 by 4 plus minus 11 by 10. LCM of 4 and 10. We get 20. 3 into 5 plus minus 11 into 2 by 20. 3 into 5 is 15, minus 11 into 2 is 22. When we subtract, we get minus 7 by 20. Subtraction and division is not associative for rational numbers. It is only applicable on addition and multiplication. The role of 0. If a by b is any rational number, then a by b plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a by b is equal to a by b. Here 0 is called additive identity. When we add a rational number to 0, we get the answer as 0. Example, minus 2 by 7 plus 0 is equal to 0. For every rational number, a by b plus minus a by b is equal to 0. Here minus a by b is called additive inverse. Example, minus 7 by 5 additive inverse is 7 by 5. How is it possible? Here minus 7 by 5 is a negative rational number. When we add it to positive rational, the same rational number in a positive way, we get 0. That is minus 7 by 5 plus positive 7 by 5 is equal to 0. The role of 1. The product of any rational number and 1 is the rational number itself. If a by b any rational number, then a by b into 1 is equal to 1 into a by b. Here 1 is called multiplicative inverse. When we multiply 1 into a rational number, we get 1. Example, 8 by 7 into 1 is equal to 8 by 7. For every non-zero rational number a by b, there exists a rational number such that A by B into B by A is equal to 1. Here B by A is called multiplicative inverse. 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 is equal to 1. So we have done cross multiplication. So we get 1. Distributive property. If A by B, C by D, E by F are any three rational numbers, A by B into C by D plus E by F is equal to, can also be expressed as A by B plus C by D plus A by B plus E by F. Distributive property under multiplication over addition. A into B plus C is equal to, can also be expressed as A into B plus A into C. Distributive property under multiplication over subtraction. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. What are these? Distributive property under multiplication over addition. An example. A is equal to 3 by 8, B is equal to minus 2 by 5, C is equal to 6 by 7. So we took three rational numbers. A into B plus C is equal to 3 by 8 into minus 2 by 5 plus 6 by 7. Following the formula is equal to 3 by 8 into minus 14 plus 30, 35. 3 by 8 into, we get 14 minus 30, we get 16. 16 by 35. Then we have done cross multiplication. 8 ones, 8 twos. So 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. 1 into 35 is 35. So the answer is minus 6 by 35. This is not done yet. Let's follow the remaining formula. 8 by B into C by D is equal to A by B into E by F. 3 by 8 into 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 8 into 6 by 7 is equal to minus 6 by 40 plus 18 by 56. LCM of the denominators 40 and 56 is equal to 56. Minus 6 into 7 plus 18 into 5. We get minus 42 plus 90 by 280. So we multiplied into denominators. When we subtract, we get minus 48 into by 280. So when we cancel them, we got 224 by 140. When we cancel them into in further, we get minus 6 by 35. So this is distributive property. So these are properties of rational numbers.